In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter data in an Excel cell, a fundamental skill for anyone who uses Excel, whether you're managing a budget, organizing a list, or just starting to learn how Excel works. Let's start from the very beginning. To use Excel, you first need access to it. For those of you who don't have Excel installed on your computer, no worries. Microsoft provides a free online version of Excel, along with Word, PowerPoint, and OneNote, through Microsoft 365 Online. This is a great way to access Excel from any device. All you need is an internet connection. So, head over to the official Microsoft 365 Online website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gate to a variety of Microsoft's online services. Signing in is straightforward. You'll be prompted to type in your email. Make sure to enter the email associated with your Microsoft account. If you're using this service at work or school, you'll likely use your organization email. After entering your email, click on Next. Now comes a critical part, especially if it's your first time using Microsoft 365 Online, or if you haven't used it in a while. Following the on-screen instructions carefully after clicking Next. These steps are designed to ensure your account's security and may include entering a password, undergoing a two-factor authentication process, or sometimes setting up your account if it's your first time. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use an example Excel file. This is to help demonstrate how to enter data into an Excel cell effectively. You too can follow along with your own Excel sheet or with a blank one to practice. Once you have your Excel file open in front of you, it's time to start entering data. But first, here's a little bit about navigating in Excel. Excel sheets are made up of rows and columns. Where they intersect, you have what's called a cell. Whenever you click on a cell, it gets highlighted, indicating it's selected. Now, to enter data, simply click on an empty cell. Once the cell is selected, just start typing. It could be anything, a number, a date, a name, or even a full sentence. But what if you typed something in a cell and want to move directly to the next one? Well, there are two simple ways to do this without having to lift your fingers off the keyboard. If you want to move to the next cell on the right, press the Tab key. Excel will automatically select the next cell in the row, allowing you to continue typing. Alternatively, if you prefer to move down to the next row directly below, press Enter after typing in your data. This will move the selection downwards, enabling you to input data vertically across rows. Why is this important? Efficiency. Imagine you're inputting data across multiple cells. Using the Tab or Enter keys minimizes the need for constant mouse clicks, making your data entry faster and smoother. And there you have it, a simple yet essential skill for working within Excel. Remember, practicing these basics will help you become more proficient with Excel, turning seemingly complex tasks into second nature. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to learn something new, I hope this guide provided you insights into navigating and entering data in Excel. Excel is a powerful tool, and mastering these fundamentals is the first step to leveraging its full potential. So, grab your data, get typing, and see where your newfound Excel skills can take you. Thank you for joining me today, and happy data entering.